ఏ అన్న మొబైల్స్ మొబైల్స్ ఓ మొబైల్స్ ఏ జరుగురు మొబైల్స్ హలో కెమెరా
రాఘవేంద్ర రెడ్డి గారు, భరత్ కుమార్ నీలా గారు, శివరాం రెడ్డి గారు, బెజవాడ భానుప్రకాష్ గారు, మేతరి విఘ్నేష్ గారు, శివప్రసాద్ గారు, నరేష్ కుమార్ గారు, సాయి యాదవ్ గారు, ధనుష్ మందన్ గారు, బుట్టి మణికంఠ గారు, అనిల్ అన్నారం గారు, రోహిత్ కోరిపల్లి గారు, ఎస్ సాయి కుమార్ గారు, కె వినోద్ గారు, వి శ్రీశైలం గారు. వీరంతా ఎల్బీ నగర్ అసెంబ్లీ చంపాపేట డివిజన్ భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీలోని శివశంకర్ గారు, న్యాయవాది
भारतीय जनता पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी रामचंद्र नगर नायकत्व रामचंद्र नगर नायकत्व नरेंद्र मोदी का नायकत्व
सुरेंद्र गारू अर्जुन गारू राजू बालस्वामी अशोक नागराजु
A large number of youth from BRS and Congress have today joined in BJP at the BJP state office. Youth are getting attracted to Bharatiya Janata Party in Telangana, and a lot of youth from different communities. Today, MBC community, this is the Arya Katika Sangam, that is the Butcher community, which is a minority, very small community and the very most backward community in Telangana. Their state president has joined Bharatiya Janata Party. So BJP is gaining ground and it is gaining a lot of confidence among the people. So different sections of people are joining Bharatiya Janata Party, and the Bharatiya Janata Party appeals to the youth that today Narendra Modi ji has to be strengthened in the country, because people like Rahul Gandhi has shamed India senselessly and very shamelessly. They tried to lower the prestige of the country before the foreign delegates during the AA summit. So you realize all these things and join Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP appeals to the youth of this state.
Top Maoist leaders surrendered before Telangana DGP. What do you give to?
Operation Kagar, under Operation Kagar, Government of India has made an appeal to all the Maoists to lay down their arms and surrender and join the mainstream. As far as Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, we welcome this step of surrendering. Let them come and join the mainstream, and those who are not surrendered, let them also surrender. There cannot be any tolerance for terrorism. Left-wing extremists have been killing their political opponents. They have not done anything good for the people. They killed the ABVP, RSS, BJP workers. But today, everyone has realized. But unfortunately, today, the many universities, the urban exiles are spoiling the young minds, and they are making them to take a wrong path. So therefore, BJP as a Telangana, because Telangana is most affected from the Maoist movement, we appeal to all the youth to stay away from these ideologies, these people, because they spoil you, and ultimately you have to surrender or you have to face the consequences which many people have faced. But in the universities, the urban naxals are still active, and they also have to be contained.